Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. Question number 1. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to t squared du. You got about 2t dt. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with number 2. Next, we have positive infinity. If we put this one, you will got about positive infinity. We have t go to negative infinity. But we have the power 2 in here. That's about even power. So that means you will go about u will go to positive infinity. Now we need to change everything. We have t squared, we change for u. T dt, we change for du over 2. And this one we got about negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative of u. And e to the power of negative u, we change for 1 over e to the power of u. We know that the limit of u go to positive infinity. This one go to 0. Similar for this one go to 0. So we say this is about 0. Question number 2. We will use same technique. Integration by substitution. I just write abbreviation of this one in here. So we put about u equals to s to the power of 3 du. You got about 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides with number 3. You got about s squared ds. If s go to negative infinity, so we would go in here and u will go to negative infinity. Similar for the positive infinity. This one s to the power of 6, that is like about s to the power of 3 with the power 2 in here. So we change s to the power of 3 into u. S squared ds, we change for du over 3. And we got the final answer. So this one you got about 1 over 9. So we put the limit. minus this limit. This is negative infinity. So when you go to positive infinity, arctan of this positive infinity, you got about b over 2. When you go to negative infinity, this one in here, you got about negative b over 2. So we calculate this one and we got about b over 9. Now let's go to the next one. This one in here, you got about arctan of s. So we put the limit. When s go to positive infinity of this one, we got about b over 2. This one, we got about negative b over 2. We sum two things together and you got about b. This one, we multiply with e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So e to the power of s multiply with this one and this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we will about u equals to e to the power of s, du equals to e to the power of s ds. So if s go to positive infinity, this one go to, u will go to positive infinity. When s go to negative infinity, u will go to number 0 in here. This one we change for u, so you got about u square. This one in here we change for du, and we got about arctan of u, and we put the boundary from 0 to positive infinity. Arctan of number 0, you got about 0. This one you got about b over 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.